Hello there! In this video, we will learn how to connect Excel data with Lumenore. Once log into Lumenore with your credentials, navigate to the Lumenore Connect. The Lumenore Connect offers a range of connectors. Find Excel and click on Connect. Click Browse File or drag and drop the file into the designated area. After successful upload, click on Next. Click the checkboxes to select tables. By clicking on the Preview button, you can preview the data. You can apply the filter by providing the condition you wish to apply for your analysis, and then save your selections by clicking the Save button. Name the dataset. Click OK. In the Data Load Events section, you can track the progress of your data loading. Using Scheduler, you can set a data load schedule to update data at a predefined time automatically. Your data has been loaded successfully.